Menteri Rangba Kajilla Ukanrat ki Sangma Ulapentip Hapo Ying Dolbar Thau An Haka Arpulai Tarik Rempang Ba Kadan Tang kawei ka case Benami Bala Ujor Hapo ki kyndon Benami Transaction Act Haba jubab ya ka jingkali balawan ra da unong mikmat ka VPP na po nongkrem uba Arden Basayomoy Usangma ulaong balapenlong ya ka jing tookit da ka ba pensyong nongrem halor ka jing yo priang ya ka jing ujor Katkum ka jing penpao ka jong u laong banalor ka ni ka case amsyam ladon shu kinu ka jing ujor ha ka bayade bet ka ni ka benta ha ka lenti ka badai Nalor kata UCM upentip ru ba anthaw ya ka committee Maria de penbit penbiang ya ki kyndon an katkum ki kyndon bala penthamal jo ka Benami Transaction Act 2018 Ya ki kyndon ha ka jing shisha la de penkre hadien ka jing emer jing mud bat katranat badai khmi bat shen an la ben pyntreikam ya ki kyndon an ben rap UCM Shu ulaong baya ki jing ujor, day ban ujor hakmat ki first class magistrate, lani ki superintendent of police jong ki district. Na kalyang UMLA ka Congress na gambigre, usaling is sangma, ulaong balada ka sorkar kasim kya shisha ban pyntreikam ya ka nika act, anla ban tela kam ya ka jingwan rung kertep ki brio ki banabar. Nalor kata ula kodoro, Hakabayade baka jingkhandra bala punlong da ka KHADC, hakabala sakhi baki try muluk, kila persyang banyada ya kinong khayi ki badai ki barjilla.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
My first supplementary, sir, will be, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, what is the reason why there has been only one detection in this case?
So there's no question of detection. This case is based on any kind of complaint that is lodged by individuals, and on the basis of that case is registered and investigation is done, sir. So there has been no formal complaint from anybody.
Sir, may I know whether the government has constituted committee or authority in each district as mandated by this act, sir?
So the rules are being framed now, and once these rules are framed as per the amended act of 2018, so the rules are being framed, and once these rules are framed, then the committees will be set up, sir.
So, may I know, sir, when do we expect that the rules will come out?
So the rules are in fact already ready. So only final consultation with different departments, as always is done, is being pursued. Very shortly, sir, the rules will be out, sir.
Bakarpan, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I just want to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, is there any department to look after this Benami Transaction Act, sir?
So it's not in this entire thing, sir. The anytime that there is an issue or any person is has complaints, sir, they are complaining to the magistrate and the first class magistrate or the SP in the particular district, sir.
Mr. Salim.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, sir, this Benami also might, if we do it seriously, then it might curtail some influx from the outside also. Now what we have seen is that most of our tribal's name is been taken by those outsiders to do business here in Meghalaya. Last time, what we have seen is that when District Council, KHDC, they went to round up with the professional tax with all those non-tribals, you know, from the back, our tribal people started jumping to save all those non-tribals who are doing in the names. So if those can be taken seriously, this is one of the area where we can check the influx. So I would like to request, whenever we are making the regulations rules, kindly look into this matter seriously. If this act can be placed seriously, then some of the influx can be checked.